Hey brats, I'm back with an Influenster review. These are products sent in boxes, complimentary, free for me to review and tell you guys how I feel about them. So I received these boxes, here they are. I have the Mercier Tinted Moisturizer in the shade 1W1 Porcelain, and then I was also sent the Becca box, which contains the shades Orbit 2 for the liquid illuminizer, and the powder is Scattering 1. All these have really shimmery, dewy undertones. I really love this formula. It's very editorial. Here's one layer. It's the Becca Light Shifter Dewing Tint. It gives a sheer, dewy, luminous finish. Here's 2 layers. I'm doing half-C's on the face here. And it's got really great hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, really nourishes your skin. Here's the Mercier. You get a lovely full size. Here's the swatch. As you can see, very dewy, very healthy this one. This one gave a very healthy, beachy vibe. A lot less editorial. Here they are on each half of my face, but I do love these products. And the Mercier is supposed to be effortless and has a lot of SPF, so you can wear it outside. Here's a beautiful pan of the powder and a lovely satisfying peel in real time. And I just applied this all over my face, and it wasn't super shimmery, which I was scared about. It's really good, just a really good blotting setting powder. Here's over my tattoo, you can see there is a bit of coverage, but it's mostly just to give a little bit of a healthy glow. So I really love these products. I'm going to keep using them, and thanks for watching. Bye.